for those of you who know who Parker Palmer is, he's a writer, a teacher. He actually just lives pretty close to where I am. And he's written a bunch of books. One of them is A Hidden Wholeness. And one of the things that he talks about is the tragic gap between our current level, who we are right now, and who we know we could be. And we have this vision, this really beautiful vision of what we're reaching for, of the kind of wholeness and integration and deep love, which, Juliana, I'm going to get to your question about love, but this deep loving being that we want to embody. And then we discover our socialized selves in our current moment. And we see this tragic gap between our current state of functioning and our desired state of functioning. And so much of our lives is about being loving and gentle and compassionate with ourselves as we live in the tragic gap, and not losing sight of where we're headed, but not judging ourselves for being where we're at.